The CANplus CP750-E is an enhanced digital engine control panel that provides complete engine control, monitoring, and protection for electronically and mechanically governed engines. The CP750-E is a best-in-class solution for water, oil and gas, and agricultural pump applications. The CP750-E is designed for autostart or manual operations. It is Tier 4 final and Euro Stage 5 compliant and features patent-pending QR code diagnostics via Remote IQ QR Assist. It includes a wide sunlight viewable color display, and its intuitive event manager can fully control engines based on numerous configurable criteria. Features of the CP750-E include a quick access menu key, a host USB port for easy configurations and updates, and configurable 7-stage auto throttling profile. Optional configurations include an integrated emergency stop, Auxio and Modbus, or a combination of the three. The CP750-E includes several standard CANplus control advanced throttling and control capabilities, including controlled off, auto manual mode toggle, momentary rabbit turtle keys, auto ramp, auto start, and auto throttle maintain point. For more information or to arrange a demo, visit Cattron.com.